The Sony zv-1 II is a compact, video-centric camera designed primarily for vloggers and content creators seeking an all-in-one solution. Building upon the success of its predecessor, the zv-1, this second-generation model introduces a wider lens and enhanced usability features, making it a compelling choice for those prioritizing portability and ease of use. Lens: 18 to 50 mm equivalent f/1.8 to 4.0 zoom lens, offering a wider field of view compared to the original zv-1's 24 to 70 mm lens. Sensor: 20.1 MP 1-inch stacked CMOS sensor, delivering high-quality images and videos. Video capabilities: 4K recording at up to 30 fps, with features like cinematic vlog mode for a cinematic look and product showcase mode for quick focus transitions. Display: fully articulating 3.0-inch touchscreen, facilitating easy framing and control, especially for selfies and vlogging. Audio: built-in directional 3-capsule microphone with a 3.5 mm mic input for external microphones. Connectivity: USB-C port for charging and data transfer, and the ability to function as a plug-and-play webcam without additional software. Compact and lightweight, highly portable, making it ideal for on-the-go shooting and travel. Excellent autofocus: Sony's real-time tracking and IAF ensure sharp focus on subjects, enhancing video quality. Overall, the Sony zv-1 II is a solid choice for content creators seeking a compact, user-friendly camera with strong video capabilities. Thank you so much.